Welcome. In this video, I will quickly show you what to do if your pedals have no power after installation. So after you have installed your pedals on your bicycle, you have to calibrate them. And first of all, you're gonna need to pair them with your smartphone using Favero application. We have a separate video on this topic if you'd like to see the process more visually. In this case, I'm gonna have my pedal right here around me. So basically what we have to do is we have to activate either the left pedal if you have the RL1, or both pedals if you have RL2, and then select my Assioma is active. Select your Assioma from the list, then tap next. If you have two pedals with sensors, then make sure to add both of them. And after them, to perform the calibration, you're gonna have to go to settings and you're gonna have to open the calibration menu in here. Then make sure to align your pedals vertically like it shows you in the instruction. Make sure that your bike is on the flat surface, and also make sure that nothing is in contact with your pedals. Then tap start calibration and wait until it's finished. And then you're gonna need a few more strokes, so you're gonna need to perform a short ride in order to finish this calibration so that your pedals start showing the power. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.